Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
There are now any blood clot, yes!
It's not what it looks like.
It is what a blood clot look like! Not a blood clot!
Dydy!
What's wrong with you? Can't speak up on a Jamaican like that, you damn idiot.
Remember I say, so when you just come out of one relationship, especially if that a relationship they never end well, you need to go to church and request the pastor and the congregation to pray for you. Because more while we get caught up on the sweet up and whatever sweep we have our feet, and then when the man kiss we us up our neck and we giggle and we shake and we you know what I say? It get to it so we end up fall more while and make the Antichrist go up in a way and we don't know where go on more while. So we have to go to church more while drink like a consecrated olive oil, even if you have to duck in the baptized water and whatever, duck in it, girl, duck in it. Cause more while some man, some woman come in your life and after them left, nothing now go and feels like a pop down, like it's pay crosses after crosses after crosses. So when the first crosses go, you're buying up the rest of them in the name of Jesus.
My ad for someone, you know. My ad for someone, because the other day I see Tracy come on social media. Take a picture. Then I see Keisha in the same outfit with Tracy in her. Only for stop it. 2017 is approaching. Save the money and buy on own clothes and stop wearing a friend clothes. Some of the girl have the audacity if you are wearing a friend drawers. Drawers! On the mother never no teach you no brought up sisters to stand up for wear people baggy. Eh? You don't know if she wash it out properly. So you don't know if girl have infection and now wear people drawers. And then you don't want to come on social media, come go on like son or somebody. When you don't cock up in on friend clothes, my girl, go work. Go work, save your money and buy your clothes or ask one of your family them from foreign for send you some pupina. Or pupina. And stop come go on like son or some blood clots, somebody when some skermite. That's a word, right? Yeah, some skermite. If you have your woman, don't make she go to the club with our so-called home girls and go drink blood clot Hennessy with our friend them because just know say something ever go on. Because I finally try Hennessy and I swear me have to take off all my jacket for showing a demonstration. I wake up the next day like this with my sheet. I looking at the mirror like what the fuck me do last night. I'm disgusted because me never know say like yo Dydy could have do them things that Dydy could have performed like that. Hennessy
Doesn't feed the pum pum.
it's not for the pum pum. It's like you just make a light switch go off down there and the light switch shut off up there. So I rest my case. Give me my phone. Yo, you see when you a yardie and you coming from Jamaica, you burn out everything. A man look for my girl, yo, your ass look nice. What? Fire for that way up on my body for my youth. When we look on my body for my youth, all them something there is it me beer things. And I came here and I was like that. I remember one time I was talking to this kid and all of a sudden he start talking about my toe. Them and I say, me no want a man come suck my toe. Me no want you suck my toe. If you suck my toe, me not gonna kiss him. Me not upon them suck toe business there. And I'm still not with them suck toe shit. Them still not me not upon them suck toe thing there. And I remember this kid giving me a massage. I mean, tell you say, yo, like, my foot them never yet rub so. Is it me? And then now I see my bend down a little bit and me I say, whoa, like this kid really gonna disrespect me and suck my toe them after me tell him say, yo, I'm not depend that. Then him kiss my ankle and when I tell him say him kiss my ankle, I say me yeah them set so and for the old night me depend. So a while ago, right? I had a pizza. And the delivery man call and everything and my rush go downstairs, bust the blood clot. It's like I got hit with the presence of the Lord. When me telling us, boy cute, boy cute, boy cute, boy cute, him sweet, big blue eyes, cherry lips, tall with muscle, everything on me just did like, hi. How much? I'ma just did it. Me turn idiot. Isn't me? I'ma did it. Look on the boy and I say, yo, General Star, what I would do to you. And first of all, I'm a young lady. I got knees. I got ones. I can look. And then my daddy, and then it's like, all of a sudden, my hear this boy start scream, oh my God! I love your hair. I love your hair texture. It reminds me so much of my boyfriends.
Oh, you ever in a position where you talking to somebody and then it reach to that levels where sex get involved and it's like, yes, a time now for see where him depend, like if you're gonna be able to call him daddy, you know what I say, so the daddy and everything start up, man, then him depend, you know what I say, like him look like him gonna have heart attack on you, daddy, like, why is he acting like this? Like, I'm not feeling shit, but then you don't really want the umbre feel bad as me because on our first time I just make a fake moan like, oh. You know what I'm saying? And then him go make, shut up and take this dick, bitch. Like, hold up. What? What dick?
Alright, so earlier I woke up and I was like, yes, I woke up, I'm in Jamaica. I'm like, I'm gonna get a bottle of water and some pineapple juice because I have to do my daily routine for the pum pum. And then I went down there and I was like, can I have a bottle of water and pineapple juice? This man basically told me that a bottle of water and a pineapple juice is for $1,500. Now I'm like, I don't have a problem paying that. But my thing is this, like, why? But then I realized that I went down there on some Yankee shit, which you can't really blame me, you know, because sometimes I don't even realize that I'm doing it. I don't live here, I live there. You see me? So look a bit of the Yankee might chip in, chip out. But I go down there and I realize someone do the Yankee thing, so him say, oh, she American, rare. So I look for him and I say, brother, $1,500 for a bottle of water and pineapple juice, I want to line it up gold. Him say, wait, yeah, Yadi, just give me $500. You saw on the stay though. You saw on the stay.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.